this side's in, but this side here, these bulges don't. So, I'm thinking, just kind of staple it back together, huh? What do you think? Just squeeze it back in there and pump it up with the elbows. Huh? What do you think? Did that work? Did that work? Pound it in. Pound it in. Not that good. Okay. I got some more nails. Let's see. I only need a couple. Yeah. Just dig it in there. There we go. There we go. That's one. That's one. There's another one. There's another one. Right here. There you go. There you go. That's two. Oh shit. Didn't have that many of those. Shit. This go turn the buckers. This should work. Have one down here. Nails. Yeah, that works. Little baby finishing nails. Little tiny baby finishing nails. Right here. Oh, she's good up here. Put it on an angle. There you go. There you go. I'll put one more in there. Right by the staple. Oh shit. Oh fuck it. There you go. There you go. That'll hold her. One more, huh? Huh? Sure. Like that. Right up in there. There we go. Okay. Top. Oh, there's a board in there. But I just picked up at an angle. Like you've been doing. One over here. Oh boy. There you go. Right at it, angle. Sharp angle. One more. Sharp angle. Break it. right at it, you know. Pull it up, push it in. There you go. Okay, done. These are in there really good. Okay, done. Now, dun 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 dun. Pick her up. Stick her right in there. Come on. Slide this fat motherfucker over. Oh, get off the sand of those screws. There you go. I'm fucking soaking wet. Let's put these hats back where they were. Notice it's off balance. It's off balance. Well, not very sturdy. Maybe when you get clothes in it, it'll be sturdy, you know. Because it doesn't carpet. Okay. Get the drawers in. Let's see. Let's see if she works, big boy. Huh? Oh, shit. What a piece of shit. Okay. There you go. Oh. Huh? What do you think? Huh? Do I got the job or what? Huh? There you go. There. Get the fucker out of the way. Come on. Come on. There we go. I know it looks like shit, but hey, it's a dresser, right? I got all them dirty clothes. I'm gonna need to put them somewhere, because my other drawers are all full. They're all full, every one of them. I got 2 dressers, one in the bedroom, and one in the front room here, or the living room, whatever you want to call it. This is the front room, I don't know. This is supposed to be your bedroom. But yeah. There you go. Done. 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 YouTube, Carl Kish, subscribe. Yeah, I bought this nice coffee table. That's solid. So solid you can build on it. You saw that, right? Okay. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you learned something. Yeah, I should have started right from the beginning. I should have recorded right from the beginning because putting them sides on there, yeah, a little tricky, but hey, it worked. It was a piece of shit. Yeah, it was all pieces that fell apart. Fucking people that come in here and refurnish my fucking bedroom. You know, it used to be right over there in the corner. That's where it used to be. And they moved it in the attic. They moved it in the attic full of fucking clothes. It was full of fucking clothes. That thing was flimsy. And I'm sure all this shifting and tugging and dropping and pulling and yanking loosened it all up. And by the time I took the clothes out, the thing fell apart. YouTube, Carl Kish, subscribe. If you want to learn how to fix something, ask me. Bye.